Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create or start a new project folder in the Visual Studio Code app. So let us guide you through this. So I launched the Visual Studio Code app, and here guys there are two ways how you can do this. You either navigate to the start panel here and click into open folder, or you click into file in the top left and select open folder from there. Alternatively, you can also use that shortcut here. So once that's done, you'll be redirected to your Visual Studio Code folder on your device if you have created already one, or if you haven't done it yet, create one and navigate to that folder in your device location here, right? So what you want to do is right click into new, select folder, and then give it a name. So let me give it a name test folder 2 because that is going to be our second one. Confirm the creation and select folder here in the bottom right. That is going to navigate you to that test folder. So from here on, guys, you can click into these buttons here to create subfolders inside the project, expand it here if needed, for example, and add also new files, like for example test, I don't know, HTML or something like that, or JSON, and so on and so forth to create the first code. And that's it guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.